Well, hello. Welcome back. In this lesson, I shall teach you how to do updates. It's probably going to be a short video. I don't know if I want to combine the updates along with the backup, which should conclude my arched tutorial and stuff. So let's get this started. And I have with me, of course, the hot cocoa. hmm I don't know about you, but having hot cocoa, especially during winter, especially the Christmas month, it tastes like so awesome. It's got that taste of humbleness and stuff. I highly recommend. Mm. Oh yeah, man, that's good, delicious. Mhm. Trying to remember what to do here. My God, this thing here takes so long to load. It never does like this. I don't know what's different. It's probably OBS doing that. Pretty sure that's what that is. I'll look on my top. Yeah, looks like it is. It's taking like 20% of the CPU, so yeah, I suppose. All right, this thing's still loading. It's almost there. It's almost there. Oh, that's right. I have that thing turned off. Uh, what did I say it was? Let's see. It was system control. Start. And actually, you know what? I can actually do this all in terminal. You should always do this on terminal anyway. Okay. Normally to do a basic update, you just go do this. That will update your database, and then it would find all the packages that needs updating, and then if you give it the go ahead, it installs it. So that's what we're going to do. See, there it goes, updating database. Now it's looking for packages needs to be upgraded. Now since Arch Linux is a what you call a rolling OS distro, you're gonna have to update like I don't know once or twice per 2 weeks, once a week maybe, if you really want to. But if you take too long, you might some packages might break in a long one, long run, maybe. But most of the time, if you don't have it updated in a while, it'll still work. Okay. Wow, look at this. As you can see, it's already outdated quite a bit. So we're gonna say yes. Go ahead, download and install. Thank you very much. Now, for packages that are from the user repository, I don't know if it uh, if it finds all the packages that are from the user repository and it upgrades it, or you may have to do that one package at a time. Which we're gonna do that next on Yay. Yay. So that's what we're gonna do. It's actually doing pretty quickly. Maybe it's an installing part that's what it's gonna take the longest. So we shall see. Oh, Chromium. Sometimes Chromium, when you update just Chromium, sometimes it'll break because there's a package, usually FFmpeg, prevents it from running. Oh, that's something I should show you too. If something doesn't go the way it's supposed to be, like if it doesn't start, All you got to do is go to the terminal on the desktop and then type in, let's say, a package Chromium, and it'll have some kind of debug of sorts what it's doing on each command, on each execution, which I will show you here. Very helpful to know what the fuck's going on. So if Chrome doesn't start, just go on terminal, type in Chromium, and it usually tells you why it isn't starting up. It'll say like missing library, lbc.so.6 or something, or fmpeg is outdated and it refuses to restart. And that's where you want to downgrade packages to get it to work or upgrade, depending what needs to be done. Let's see. Nope. Now it's here on checking package integrity. Sure, sure. Mm-hmm. Man, this is a big upgrade. It's last time it's been updated is like what, a week ago? I think well 2 weeks ago. So yeah, yeah, you want to update about once every 2 weeks. That's okay. And and any programs that doesn't seem to work right away, you can debug it, find what's the problem, and if it's a package, if it's one of the packages that's been recently upgraded, you can always downgrade it to a working one. Which most of the time, it'll it'll other programs that depend on that particular package, it'll still work for the most part. That's why you have other distros like Mint or Debian, where they or Ubuntu, where they release it, like every 6 months because they keep those packages the same version because it's known to be stable. Like it's been tested numerous times, and that particular package and version works. It's been quality assured, so that's why they keep it in the same version as much as possible. And only updates you get is normally like security updates, which you should always update for security. And that's why you see newer versions that I haven't seen in your particular version of Mint, and you're like, okay, well this version is different layout. Why isn't my version Mint? Well, that's why they want to keep the packages as stable as possible. That's why they do a lot of testing. If one update package, and then the other, ooh, hello, conflicting files. This is new. Huh. Well, what we have here. For instance, usually when this happens, not recommended, but you can always put, was it D to force package update, or is it F? Let's try D. All right, it's already downloaded, so all it needs to do is just install. Now, what was I saying before I got distracted here? Oh yeah, that's why they want to keep the package as stable as possible. So if you're stuck at Mint 17, stay at Mint 17 if no changes, is needed. Right now, upgrade it to 18, unless it's on the end of life, which I'm pretty sure 17 has been end of life for years now. It's all about being stable. Whereas Arch, it's always bleeding edge. It's always the newest versions, but the odds of breaking one of the packages, increases a lot, and that's why. That's why they do what they do here. But this part takes a while. Let me see if I can show you guys what it's doing on my main computer. Uh, properties, terminal. Yeah, see, this is my actual computer. I can see, as you can see, OBS takes about 20% of CPU. VirtualBox taking 135, which is using one core and almost a full one core and then almost a half of the second core. This is a two-core computer, hence it's like 140. If it was like a six core, it'd been like around 500%, which is using like five cores, and you know that's how you kind of guess what it's doing. Look at the virtual RAM, 21.9 gig on the OBS, but it hasn't used any swap memory though. 0% used. As you can come on, you see my mouse. Can you see my mouse in here? Oh yes, you can. See, 0% used on the swap, so it hasn't got that far yet. And total six gig, 2.7 gig free, which is that's still a lot. So it's mostly CPU is the bottleneck here. That's causing a little to be a little slow for dual core. Oh, it did it again. Yeah, it's not working. I'll show you how. Uh, So it's not D, is it F? Hmm. How do I gotta do? Do I gotta remove it? Remove virtual box guest KMS and virtual box guest details. Oh, that was easy. Okay, I'll try again. And it's got to do that shit again. That's a little short, it looks like. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. So it looks like I'm gonna separate the videos then after all. I figured this is gonna be a short video. I mean, it's still gonna be a short video, but I thought it's gonna be shorter than that. And I might have to combine the upgrades in the backup part, which on the next video is gonna be all backups, which is also very important. And then after that, then that's pretty much comes to when it comes to Arch Linux. Then you're probably set by then. It should be a-okay, because especially when you fuck up a package, you can always use this backup thing called time shift, and you can just time shift it back the way it was working. So if you have like a spare, like a 3 terabyte external hard drive or something, and format it as an extension 4, just for Linux, just for the backup, you just want to back it up using time shift. So you should always, so when you're upgrading, you should always just back up using time shift first, and then upgrade. And then, if in case it breaks, if it's not working as you like, then you use time shift and then you just restore it back, and voila, you are like uh, broke proof of sorts. Hmm. Wow, this is really slow. Let's see here. Yeah, it's taking a lot of power. A lot of my CPU. Oh, that's right. I told it to use two CPU cores. I forgot. As you can tell, I'm using a janky computer. As you can tell by the 4x screen instead of widescreen, if you have noticed, the little black bars between. It's because I'm using a 4x3 monitor and I'm just too lazy to hook up my widescreen one. It's too much effort. Plus, this monitor I'm using is like really big, so I kind of like it that way. Oh, hey, look, it's finally upgrading. Look at that. Awesome. All right. After this, I can show you guys what happens when Chromium doesn't want to work due to a outdated package, which shall be interesting. Let's see. Yeah. While it's doing that, I'm gonna see. Did I install? No, I didn't. I didn't install Firefox to this thing. Huh. That's odd. Because usually Chromium does not want to work with OBS for some reason. Kind of like wanting to show you guys something cool. Do have my tablet. Hmm. Could do that too. Mhm. Or if you guys wish, you can just fast forward this part until it gets to 199. Oh no, I gotta show you guys Yay upgrade if that's a thing. Gotta remember to do that. That's right. Hmm. Mm. All right. I don't know. Can I? No, I can't. Oh, let's try. I'm gonna install Firefox here. Maybe it'll work with OBS. What cat? What are you meowing about these days? Oh, oops. What cat? You guys want to know what I'm doing here? Let's see. Where is it? Is it this? Nope. That ain't it. Where the crap is it? Huh. Okay, that's odd. It's not showing the terminal. Maybe I gotta do it this way. Yeah, there we go. I'm installing Firefox on my main computer. As you notice here, it was giving me 404 errors, so I gotta do SYY and then Firefox, which would tell it to upgrade the database first and then install Firefox. And that's what it's doing. All kinds of cool gizmos. Ugh. Right now it's upgrading Linux headers on the virtual. Uh, oh, come on. Why is it going so slow? There it goes. Installing. Okay. Let's see I can get Firefox to work on OBS here. Once it's finishes loading, there we go. Okay. Now let's give it a go. Properties. Hey, there we go. Cool. All right. Cause I was want to go here real quick. I was gonna Reddit while it's doing its thing. Let's see. Wisconsin High Court declines to hear Trump election lawsuit. Oh yeah. If you wanted the date, it's December 3rd in my time on this video. Brother, Stary, sure. Woman destroys 130,000 alcohol at Aldi. Bedazzled. I haven't seen Bedazzled well since 2001. Huh. Maybe I should watch that movie later. That's pretty fucking cool. I painted this portrait of Mitch McConnell. This. That's silly. See what they say about that. Uh, uh, this trivializes the Holocaust. Mitch is a piece of shit, but he's certainly not the architect of ethnic genocide. Well, at least the comments are a little smarter than usual. Yeah, yeah, they're really calling out on this picture. Well, good for the comments. They smarten up a little. Let's see. Is that still going? Yes, it is still going. Good God. Mhm. Yes, look, they are just calling out on this picture here. This is obnoxious and adolescent. Wow. Yeah. They're not liking it. Okay, this looks like it's almost done here. Yeah. Put it back. Or maybe not. That's doing the hooking and updating of the kernelness. Yeah. Mhm. Okay, that's gonna take a while. Bring you guys back here. Me watching before you buy, quote unquote, videos that they're buying in gang. He's got the that painful face guy. What's this over here? No fakes, no fraud, no doubt. The sneakers you order, meticulously authenticated by professionals. Really? Authenticity guarantee. I'm intrigued. Yeah, no cost to you. Sent directly from the Senate. Yeezy. I still had these shoes, by the way. They're from like from that I got from the sixth grade. They're really worn out though. Unfortunate. But yeah, I do own the original Air Jordans, even though they're kind of worn out. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I own these. $200. Good God. That's funny they brought them back. But yeah, yeah, I own those. It's in my house somewhere. Mm. The fuck are Yeezys? I don't see. I don't know nothing about shoes. They look so ugly to me. Yeah, these shoes they just look ugly to me. So yeah, I don't understand shoes. And it's still going, still updating. I got distracted here. Well, I was looking at this guy. It's tradition to watch the video while it downloads. Oh, Cyberpunk 2077. That comes out in really. Oh, that's next Thursday. It comes out December 10th, right? Let's look here. I think it does. I think it does. Cyberpunk 2077 release date. Oh, it's because I'm on a VPN. Oh, come on, man! I don't have time for this fucking bullshit. Bridges. Is that a bridge or a building? No, that's a building. Okay. Yeah, December 10th. Wow, that's next Thursday, man. Holy shit. In store for $20. How you doubt it? Wow. All those delays, man. It's actually coming out next week. Man, that is fucking cool, man. It's still updating, by the way. Well, in the meantime, I can look here. Uh, Arch, Pac-Man. Oh, this is where I want to go. Tips and tricks. Uh, it didn't take me there. Listing package. You may want to list install package with their version, which is useful when reporting bugs or discussing install packages. List all foreign packages. I think it's QE. Is it cat? And then. Well, I don't remember how to do it anymore. And their dependencies. That could be helpful. Uh, it's not what I want to do. Where is it? Letters away. Oh, there it is. Yeah. It's the little caret and then put it in a text file. That's what I want to do. Yeah. Interesting. And it's still updating. Oh wait, it's almost done. Ah, it's done. All right, about fucking time. Yeah, where'd it be? This one? Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Ha ha. Cool. But it needs to be updated or restarted. It needs a reboot. It's way too many listings. See, if you go to you, what do you mean it's on a? It's a what? Is it dash W? Uname hyphen U. What am I doing wrong here? Oh my god, I think I'm losing touch here. Print the processor. Ooh, I don't know you can do that. I think it's that show. Yeah, yeah. But I'm going to try out this. I'm going to try out the processor thing. That's cool. I didn't know that. Oh no. Oh, okay. Well, never mind. It's a dash. It's not dash O. No, it's not it. Okay, it's a dash. Okay. Oh yeah, I guess that's dash R. I don't remember being dash R. Okay. See, that's the old 5.9.10, so it's the kind of using right now. And once you reboot, it should be different. It should be 5.9.11 or something higher than that. Yawning a lot. Irvin is yawning a lot. Man, is it really rebooting this long? I forgot. Fuck it. I'm just gonna do it the hard way. Reset. There you go. That's faster. Good God. There you go. Loading Linux. We're just gonna get on the desktop after this, and then I'll do the upgrading from there. What's that from? Is that from the old Looney Tunes? There you go. Yeah, see, look, 5.9.11 instead of 5.9.10. So I'm in the upgraded kernel. Looks like it's working so far. All right, we're going to the desktop. System control and start. What login manager should I use today? SDDM or LXDM? Let's go with SDDM for today. There we go. It's loading. As you can see, I got a mouse. There we go. Log in using Cinnamon. There we go. I did that in the last video. I sure sing a lot, or hum myself a lot. While this thing's fucking loading, check my phone here real quick here. You could. Oh my god, it's still loading? It shouldn't take this long! Arnold. Oh, speaking of Arnold, I think I'm gonna watch Last Action Hero. I was watching a couple of YouTube vids about Arnie. Good old Arnie. Or maybe I could watch a Christmas movie. Jingle All the Way. I mean, what's today? Today's the third, right? Yeah, it's the third, man. Time watching more Christmas movies. I did watch Home Alone finally, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that in the last video. Classic, classic, classic. I didn't watch the sequel though. Wasn't in the mood to watch that. Maybe later. And I did watch Christmas Vacation. Another classic. I think maybe later I watch Jingle All the Way or Die Hard. I'm kind of leaning towards more Die Hard or Scrooge. That Bill Murray movie, Scrooge. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a pretty decent one. I like that one. And oh my fucking god, that took way too fucking long here. I mean, I should just start XFCE instead. Sentiment is just taking too long. Da, 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 da. Oop, got distracted. I gotta put my phone down. Okay. All right. Oh, that's the other thing I want to get. See, this I got the wrong package for the mint thing. I meant to get X, not Y. Your system's currently level 5 video hard. Yeah, I know. I don't know why it won't let me. It's so look how slow it is, man. It's so annoying. Yeah. All right. Okay. Now I just want to do this. Upgrade to foreign packages. See, that's a fucking thing here. Maybe not. See, I'm not sure if it works. So maybe it doesn't. Oh, let me get downgrade here. Oh, forgot the sudo. I got it working for 3D acceleration. It don't have downgrade. What is it? Is it a yay package? Is it a form package? Avoid using. Oh, oops. Refuse to install as root reporting. Okay, fine. That's another thing. Don't root while doing yay. Uh, is it N9? I don't think I did that right. Oh, I guess I did. Okay. We're gonna download FFmpeg, and I'll show you guys what I mean. This takes most of my time here. I'm already at 40 minutes. See what I mean?